One of the great benefits of having Serif web hosting is that the email addresses are automatically included in your hosting package. The number of email addresses available to you, your email storage space allowance, and your email address structure will depend on the hosting package you've chosen. In this video, I'll show you how to create WebPlus.net email accounts and set up professional-looking, personalized email addresses in just a few clicks. First, you'll need to identify your domain, which is the address of your website. For example, mine's is beachrockcornwall.com. If you've got a silver hosting package, your domain will end in .webplus.net. If you're not sure what your domain is, you'll be able to find these details on your hosting account on serif.com. Open a web browser and type mail. And then your domain. Enter your admin email address, which will be admin@ and then your domain. Silver hosting packages only come with one email address. This email address will be your subdomain at webplus.net. For example, beachrockcornwall@webplus.net. You will not be able to create any additional email addresses, but if you'd like to, you can easily upgrade your hosting package at any time. Contact Serif customer service directly for more information. Finally, enter the password you use for your web hosting account and click Login. Select your desired time zone, which will only be required the first time you log in, and click Next. Click Settings. On the left, expand the Domain Settings folder and then click Users. At the moment, there is only one user in the list, which is admin. With Gold and Platinum hosting packages, you can create multiple email addresses. Using my domain as an example, the email address would display as username@beachrockcornwall.com. You might be wondering why you'd need to create multiple email addresses. Well, if you've got multiple staff, you can create an email account for each member of staff. Or if you've got a family website, you can create an email account for each family member. Let's create a new email account now. To begin, click New. First, you'll need to create a username which will go at the start of the email address. This could be a staff member's name or something more general like info or inquiries. Only use lowercase letters, numbers, hyphens and underdashes. Next, enter a password and then confirm it by typing it again. The account user will be able to change their password to something more confidential later if required. However, if you check the Disable Password Changes option below, the user will not be able to change their password. The display name can be anything you like. It can include spaces, capitals and special letters. You can specify a reply to email address here. You'll be able to set the time zone for each specific account. This is useful if you've got account users working in different time zones. The mailbox size limit is automatically set depending on the hosting package you've chosen. Finally, set these account-specific settings. These can be tailored to meet your requirements, but we recommend the following. Check the Enable POP Retrieval and Enable IMAP Retrieval options. This will allow you to use this email address with another mail client in the future. Ensure the Enable Outgoing Mail Signing option is also checked. When you're happy with the email account settings, click Save. As you can see, the new user has appeared in the users list. As the admin account holder, you can edit a user's settings at any time. Select a particular user in the list and click Edit. To add additional users, click New and then fill in the form as before. Users can log into their accounts from mail.yourdomain. They should then enter their email address and password, which you defined earlier in this tutorial. If you're unsure, their email address is the username you set for them at your domain. For example, inquiries@beachrockcornwall.com. And that's it. To find out more about WebPlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thanks for watching.